Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of J News, where we talk about science news today. Today we're going to be talking about wormholes and what they are and what they do, or could do. So the basic definition of a wormhole is that it is a solution to one of Einstein's field equations that theoretically could create a hole in space-time that would let something travel much farther and much faster as we humans currently can. The way it works is it essentially connects 2 points in space-time that are very far away from each other, basically by going through, I guess you could call it a time machine or a portal, something of that matter. This picture I have here is a representation of a wormhole and a spaceship going through it, acting like a time machine. I'll describe this a little bit in a minute with a piece of paper and a pencil, but for now, this is basically the bending of space-time and the possibility of what a wormhole could do. We've never observed anything close to a wormhole in space, and we do not have proof that this could not happen. So theoretically, this could be a really cool thing if we could find it or figure out how to create it ourselves. To help you understand what a wormhole is and how it could work, I will demonstrate using a piece of paper and pencil. I originally saw this demonstration in the 2014 movie Interstellar. So basically, let's take our paper here. If you want to get from here, point X, to somewhere very far away, another point X, like this, basically what a wormhole does is it's going to fold this space-time like this, get it nice and good like that, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to poke a hole through. It's going to go right through, and this is your wormhole. So now we have our 2 points, one right here, and we have it up, and then we go through, and that creates a wormhole, and that's the basic idea behind a wormhole. Okay, so where did the name wormhole actually come from? Well, if you think about an apple, and you know how worms are usually associated with apples as eating through them, say a worm goes all the way through, creating a hole, which represents basically a higher dimension. So this is where the name wormhole came from, is the apple and the worm going through it. If wormholes did exist, they would probably be about the size of atoms, and we would need to find a way to expand them to be large enough for us to enter them. We would also need to find enough energy to be able to create them so that they would be big enough for a very long time so that they would not collapse on us. And to do this would require a tremendous amount of energy, which we probably do not have as our current state. But maybe in the future? I don't know. Assuming we have somehow created a wormhole or found a wormhole somewhere, we would have essentially created or found time travel, which would be able to take us to pretty much anywhere that we haven't been. We could have wormholes that would go very, very far away, and we could explore new things that we have never been able to explore before, and that is just exciting. In conclusion, wormholes are not an actual thing, and they're really cool, don't get me wrong, but I don't think we're going to be able to find them or create them anytime soon. So the viability that we would be able to time travel, sorry guys, is probably not likely here in the near future. But I'm not ruling it out of the question. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video.